Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another DB2 SQL function, which is radians. So what radians function will do, whenever we provide any value to this function, it will calculate the equivalent radians value. So basically it accepts the parameter as a degree and calculate the equivalent radians for it. Okay, so now I will show you how we are using it inside SQLRPGLE program and using normal query. So for that I will show you one example. So here what I'm doing, first of all I just declare one constant which is SQL state underscore valid with 5 times zeros, and this constant we will use to verify the query. Then we have one variable result1 variable. This we will use to store the output which we are retrieving from the query. After that we are setting the commitment control, commit equals to star none, and then we are setting the like this commit is optional for this program. Like if you want to skip, you can skip these line specifically for this program, right? Because here we are not modifying anything into the table. And just after that we are using the actual query. So here it is how we are using this radians function. So I just write exec SQL, which is for execute SQL, select radians of 0 into result1 from sysibm.systeme1. So just after this execution of query, we are verifying it. So if SQL state equals to SQL state underscore valid, display result1, else display SQL state with a message query ended with an error, and then INLR on. Okay, so let's quickly compile this program and call this program. So you can see it is printing output as 0. Alright, so this is how we can utilize it over SQLRPGLE program. Now I will show you how we can use it on normal query. So here on STRSQL I am writing the query select radians of 2 as radians output. So this is my alias name. So this 2 will be considered as degree, and then we are calculating the equivalent radians for this degree 2. And this function is coming from sysibm.systeme1. So if I hit enter, you can see it is printing the value 3.49065 something. Okay, so this is how we can utilize this radians function in SQLRPGLE program and in normal STRSQL query. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Sharmit.